Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and this video is going to be about the Cognizant CIS hiring again. So this video we are going to discuss about some of the doubts and some of the most important points that you must not avoid, you must always remember throughout this hiring process, especially before you're registering as well. So let's discuss all these doubts and important points one by one. But if you have not applied for this particular CIS hiring yet, and if you are wondering how to apply, what is the eligibility criteria, everything we have discussed already in my past videos. I will give you the link in the description box. You can go and check that video and apply. In that video I have discussed everything from eligibility criteria to the exam procedure, everything we have discussed clearly. Make sure to watch that and apply. So now let's start all the doubts about the CIS hiring and CIS role and all the important points which everyone must remember. But if you're moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and interview updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. First of all, the most important thing is that there is going to be resume shortlisting in this particular Cognizant CIS hiring. Yes, there is a resume shortlisting process that is mentioned as the screening process. Clearly mentioned that after the screening process, if you are selected, then only you will be moving forward for the next round, that is the communication round. If you have checked my last video, there we have mentioned about the exam procedure or exam phases. There we have clearly discussed it. So there is going to be a resume shortlisting, so make your resume properly, give your best resume with all the experiences and internship or projects whatever you have done. Make sure to add it and make sure to give the most updated or your best resume, okay, while applying or registering. Also make sure to must have this particular point that your resume should have your clear passport size photo, that they have mentioned as a mandatory document for registration, that your resume should contain a clear passport size photo. There should have light background in that particular photo, and your both of your ears should be properly visible in that photo. Okay, so if you don't have such photo, make sure to go and capture one and add it to your resume before applying, because this is mentioned properly as mandatory. If you don't have this, then your resume or your registration is not going to even get considered. Okay, only after being properly registered, only then there will be screening and communication and everything. Okay, so make sure to take proper care of this particular thing. Next thing is that MCA students are not eligible for this particular hiring. They have clearly mentioned that only BTech students are eligible, although they have mentioned all branches are eligible, but of BTech only, not for MCA or BCA student, they are not eligible. So this is the engineer training hiring role, right? So BCA students are not eligible, MCA student not eligible, only BTech. All branches might be whatever branch it might be, from civil, mechanical, biotechnology, chemical, whatever engineering might be. Even CSIT obviously are eligible, but these even non-IT branches also are eligible for this particular thing. And also for those students who have been thinking that this is not the software job I have been looking for, this is not the software job I have been waiting for, the CIS role is not a proper software developer role. So if you are looking for Cognizant jobs or Cognizant mass hirings, there is a very low expectation that the Gen Z mass hiring is going to be off campus, because since last years we have seen that this Gen Z hiring has been coming in on campus only. Gen Z Pro, Gen Z Next, these three roles have been being hired by Cognizant in on campus, but this particular CIS role is the one which have been conducted by Cognizant since last year, that it is going to be off campus mode. So make sure to apply to this, because there is a very low chances of the Gen Z hiring now coming off campus for you 2024 candidates. But this is going to be one of the best opportunity you are going to get to join Cognizant as a IT field engineer. Okay, this is going to be a IT support job role. So everything about the CIS role we have already discussed. We are still going to discuss many more updates about the CIS role. In our next video, we are going to give you detailed analysis of the CIS role properly, and you are going to understand what this role is all about. So let's see. But if you have any other queries regarding this hiring or role, make sure to comment down, or you can ask in our dedicated Cognizant Telegram group as well.